Hello, princesses, and welcome back to Not Fit for Print Beauty with me, Rebecca. Today's video is entitled Bougie on a Budget. That's right, bougie gifts that you can still get for under $25. I'm just kind of relaxing today in my sweatshirt. It has gotten a little bit cooler finally here in Southern California. I don't know if it'll stay, but I'm a horrible Southern Californian. I actually like cooler weather. I know, you'll trade with me. Well, my hardworking secretary has brought me this Dr. Pepper Zero. Not sponsored, but still trying. So we can sit here together and talk about the shopping times coming up. You see, in the United States next week, it's Thanksgiving, Thursday, and that is traditionally followed in the US and now the rest of the world with what's called Black Friday. And Black Friday, of course, is the shotgun in the air for the race to start for all of the holiday shopping. No matter what holiday you celebrate, you have people to buy gifts for. And those sales are absolutely going to be amazing. But sometimes we're going with the principle here of less is more. Sometimes you just have to get a little gift for someone that you want to be classy and nice. I mean, if we're talking gifts for 25 and under, you could go crazy. I mean, you could go to the drugstore and get a ton of stuff. That would be lovely products. But I'm talking about high-end luxury. That's why this is called Bougie on a Budget. So it is going to be things you can get for people that just, if you wrap it beautifully, and if your friends, family, loved ones know what it is, they will very, very much appreciate it. But you can still save some money because with a lot of people on your gift list, it adds up. So I kept everything to $25 at most. Yes, there's taxes and things, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, so let's get started right away. The first is something adorable that Beauty Blender went ahead and sent over to me, and I thank them for this. Look how cute this is. This retails for $20, and what it is, it's called the Beauty Blender Single Scoop. So it hangs like an ornament. This is, like a stocking stuffer, as they call it, for $20. And what it is it's a actual beauty blender. You guys got to see this, like an ice cream scoop, so that when you put the blender, when you take it out, you just have the cone. And when you're done using your beauty blender and it's aerated down here, there's holes. See me through it? So it's aerated and you can put your little beauty blender in there, and look how cute that is just sitting on a dresser table. It's super cute, and like I said, hangs like a little ornament, and I'll link all these below for your shopping pleasure. As I like to say, it's $20. What a cute gift. I know if I got it, I picked things here, you guys, that if I got would make me smile. BaseBlue, who I had their little ghost makeup blender, they have done quite a few different little things for the holidays, but my favorite is the Snowflake Wedge. It's only $11. I just put a picture of it in here. I think I'm going to pick it up. The wedge breaks apart, and it is just basically a makeup wedge. If you prefer to use a wedge than a sponge, it is adorable and will get you through the entire winter because it's not just holiday themed. So that's kind of fun. And of course, beyond. All right, Laneige is a go-to for me at night. I have really dry lips, so the Laneige lip treatments are a go-to for me. I like to use the nighttime sleeping mask at night, and I like to use just in the morning. I try to limit myself with my lip balms because I can get addicted to them, quite literally. And I like this too. This is their, it's like their little kind of a lip gloss, but still really nurturing. Well, you can get two of these together, different flavors. I think this one is berry and this one is peach iced tea in the little set that they have for $21. It's called the Laneige Dream Team. Dream, sleep, wake up. So like I said, I'm holding up different scents, but the peach iced tea and the berry will be together for $21, which is actually pretty good. Okay, moving on to more beauty products you can save money on. Would you know, I'm holding up a full-size Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, but do you know that you can get 4 shades of this in the mini that are only $15, which is pretty amazing. Only $15 for a Hollywood Flawless Filter. Great as a gift for a friend. Great for you if you haven't tried it. Now you're going to say only 4 shades. The main one has so many. True. But they are stretchy. Like I can wear 3 or 4. I bet I could get away with some of the other shades too. Plus you can highlight with it a top of makeup, or, you could use it on the eyes, anything. So the mini is only $15, which is insanely good. This is the regular size that I'm holding up because I use this. I use too much of this. I can't get a mini, but if it's something you haven't tried, you would like it. Speaking of Charlotte Tilbury, and she'll be coming up a little later, if you haven't tried her Pillow Talk and Pillow Talk liner, all three, so she has Pillow Talk Medium, and Pillow Talk Deep. All three, you can get a mini lipstick and a mini liner for just $25 together. It's a really fun gift to get for a makeup lover in your life who hasn't tried it, or someone who's newly getting interested in makeup, or for yourself if you're a Pillow Talk fan and you'd like to try the medium or the deep because you haven't before, or anything like that. I think that is a great buy, and it really feels like you got something luxurious that will actually still last you for a while. Okay, moving right along, the reason I made this 25 and under was to include these products. My goodness, for $25, you can buy somebody you love, that includes yourself, a Natasha Denona mini palette. These are not marketing gimmicks, they're good palettes. I'm holding up here the nude because this has always been my favorite. It's not a new one, but this has always been my absolute favorite. It just performs so well, travels so well. These just click in these little palettes. They travel. I don't even mean if you're going on a plane, just going to work. They'll throw in your bag. I brought out here the Retro Mini. Here's the Glam Mini. These are $25. It's something Natasha Denona does that I find so amazing. It is not a gimmick. It is not, you know, sometimes around the holidays, brands just bring out like trash. I used to sometimes feel that way. Those of you that live around a Nordstrom, sometimes it used to be for the Nordstrom sales, you'd go like, what is this? Like it's brought in for the sale and then disappears after. Do you know what I'm talking about? But that is not what's happening here. These are actually genuinely good products. Speaking of that, Nars has done 3 unwrapped minis in this holiday theme that kind of looks like it's wrapped, or as I like to say, in bondage. Here is the Laguna, but you can get it in Dolce Vita or the ever-present Nars Orgasm. They don't have trouble with that. So this is the one of them there, and they're $25, and you get all those little shades, and it makes an adorable little gift, and looks really, really pretty. $25. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Speaking of can't go wrong with $25, Hourglass. So I always make jokes about Hourglass being incredibly expensive, and I don't know why I go for that joke, because you know, like Syrah's expensive, and I mean, we have so many. Chantecaille's expensive, but for some reason I like to joke about it with Hourglass because it like riles people up. People get so angry about Hourglass prices, so I had to make my joke that you can get this empty container for the Curator series for under 25, or actually I think this is like 29 with, I think it's 29 when it's single, but you get a shadow with it. So I wanted to make that joke, but that's not what I was going to say. In reality, do you know that you can get a mini Hourglass single, a mini powder, a blush, a highlighter for $24. So this is the regular size. It's going to be a little bit smaller than that because, as again I said, I'm like a little bit of a piggy, so I buy the bigger ones. I'm a real fan of minis though. I tend to buy stuff when it's new for review, but if I can just buy a mini and try it out, none of us really go. I mean, we hit pan on things, but how many of us regularly hit pan? So it is, while it is true that a mini is penny wise and pound foolish, as they say, you're not getting as much product, we don't go through it anyway. So if they have a mini, try it. And for $24, you get this lovely Hourglass formula. Like I said, this is a bit bigger than the one you would be getting, but what a lovely gift. And if you put it in a little box with a beautiful bow, you know, use your creativity, and you give it to someone who knows what they're getting, it's quite a thoughtful gift. It really is. Less is more, right? And that will help you just kind of peg out. There's a lot of people to buy for. And I mean, as much as we want to bake cookies or tell everyone they should have the spirit of the season, let's be honest. People are like, where's my gift? You know, I mean, it's unfortunate, but it's true. It's unfortunate, I admit. Okay. Let's talk about Fenty. You know I love their gloss. You can get the Fenty Heat for $22 and the regular old gloss for $19. It is my favorite absolutely lip gloss out there is this Fenty. And they have sets for $25. I reviewed it. The Resting Peach Face is $25, and you get a blush with a gloss for $25. What a pretty and what a fun gift for a makeup lover. Again, these are small, so you don't want to give them to someone who's going to go, what did you, $2. You want to give it to someone who knows what they're getting, and trust me, they'll be thrilled. And if you wrap it prettily, it's just so nice. It's just thoughtful, and it didn't cost an arm and a leg. It costs an arm and a leg added up. I know, but I mean, you know, sometimes there's people on our list that cannot be skipped. Another really fun one, you know, Huda with her new rose Quartz collection released this new Silk Balm. It's $21. I'm wearing it now. It has a liner under it right now, but I'm wearing it now. I love it. It's got barely a tingle, no mint or anything like that, and it really plumps. And the shade is really pretty, and it's $21. I mean, if you wrap that or just put a big bow just on it like that, how cute would that be as a gift for someone and not too expensive? I'm not saying it's cheap, but it's not too expensive. How about this Sephora foundation? Now, our member of our community here, Veronica, told me about this, and I picked it up in the Sephora sale. Okay, so this is $21, and there's only 5 shades. The shade choice is not great, but for $20, to be honest with you, the shades stretch. This is a medium. I'm a light medium, sometimes considered a light. I have no business buying a medium, but it works because it's really gentle and light. I'll put the video where I review it so you can see me use it in case you don't believe me. For $20, like how fun is it? And it's a spray, like a mist. It kind of rivals the Dior Air Flash one. So it's really nice. I like it. And it's only $20. What a nice gift. Be careful about mailing this though if you're sending gifts because it's aerosol, and so there's limits and things on that. So do be careful with that. I was just talking to one of you the other day about blurring pores, and I love the Milk Blur Stick and all of the Milk Minis. You can get highlighter, the blur stick I mentioned, a serum. You can get a cleanser, a toner, bronzers, all sorts of things in these cute little Milk Minis that just kind of look like this. They're all like around $18 to $20, and the top comes off and you just roll them up, and they're just adorable, and they're really cute for your bag. You know, if you have a highlighter stick or anything like that, they work so well. I love the blur stick for pores. You know, like around here I get pores, or up in here. Sometimes here I get them, and I like to dot that on and kind of pat that in before makeup. I know getting someone this for the holidays would be a bit weird. Here, cover your pores. It was only $19. So I would probably do a highlighter or whatever as a gift, but you know, throw in a gift for yourself as well. Okay, Rephr. Have you tried the Rephr eyelash curler? I hope you have tried the Rephr brushes by now. And I would always refer you to the Rephr concept store. I have it linked below to check out what they've got going. And they've got some amazing Black Friday deals coming. Like, I think they're doing 50% off or something. I'll make sure to talk about it and put it in my community updates, but it's going to be amazing. But right now, you can get this eyelash curler, which is my favorite eyelash curler. What's so great about this eyelash curler, you may ask? It doesn't pinch. It's shaped so it gets the whole lash. You know, sometimes you curl your lashes and like this or left out. It gets everything and it doesn't pinch or pull. You know, when it pinches, and then your eye waters and all your makeup comes off, that will not happen with this. And in the concept store, it's only $16. If you get this as a gift for yourself, it changes the eyelash curling game if you like an eyelash curler. I used to swear by Surat eyelash curler, which is still a good one, but this has absolutely replaced it. And you get little replacement, you know, the little rubber filler thingies, you get those too with it. Be nice if I knew the name of it, you know what I mean. Okay, mascara. I think the greatest thing since sliced bread, quite literally, are mini mascaras. Do you know most of these mini mascaras, I'm holding up the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes, but you can also get the Pat McGrath Dark Star, which is a great mascara, and any number, Too Faced, Better Than Sex mascara. All of these mascaras are like $15. The great thing about a mini mascara, though I agree that sometimes it feels like it doesn't perform like the normal size, you know, the regular sized one. But for the most part, they do. Really, they do. They're $15. Again, penny wise and pound foolish because, you know, you're spending more. But mascara goes bad. And if you're anything like me and trying a few, I hope you're not trying as many as I'm constantly trying, but they really have a shelf life. You know, I understand that eye makeup has a shelf life. That please do not tell anyone. It's just between you and me. I really don't pay attention to that. But mascara, you kind of have to. They get clumpy, the texture changes, they can start to smell, they can make your eyes red. It's bad news. This is dangerous stuff to let go over. So I really enjoy the minis, and for $15, you can go ahead and try a new one. It's just a great way to try them and not feel too guilty. Plus, what a cute gift. And if you pick up 2, put a bow around them. How fun is that? Love it. Hey, have you ever tried the Melt Gel Eyeliner? You know they're only $19. This is one I have left over from the Beetlejuice collection, but it's kind of a pretty gray. These are lovely little liners. You have to use a little eyeliner brush with it, and you could dot it on right here, even put it by the waterline down here. Honestly, they're just great little, and they make a nice, they're pretty in the pot, and they make a really nice presentation. They're really kind of heavy, look nice on a table, and they make a really nice gift. Again, though, go to the Rephr concept store. You can get brushes for people. A great gift for people that they won't expect if they're a makeup lover are good makeup brushes. Some of them can be so expensive, so I would refer you to Rephr. You can save a little money. And I don't mean to make jokes about spending and overspending on the holidays. Just the reality of the situation is there are people that we need to get gifts for. And sometimes if you do it small and really show some, wrap it beautifully, put a little candy cane on top, whatever it takes, it's still thoughtful and glamorous and classy without being too over the top and these huge gifts and these super expensive gifts, and we're all going broke. It's crazy. Plus, if you are doing some shopping, you can throw a little something in for yourself. Here's what I would love for you guys to do now. Please play along with me in the community and the comments down below. Let me know your favorite gift or what gift you are thinking of getting this year for those that you love. That is within that $25. I'll give you a few more dollars if you want. Whatever country you're in translates to about 25 or so US that you think would make a pretty, classy, bougie on a budget gift. I would love to know. Please let me know your thoughts below. Hey, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I sure hope that you did. And if you haven't already done so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that I can see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.